Hello guys. This one is a very important video for everyone writing your group 2 exams. I will keep it short, but I want you to stay tuned with me. I will categorize you into two buckets. Those who are done with group 1 getting into group 2, or sir, I am starting only group 2 now only, sir. For both of you, I'm going to share three very important things that will be a game changer for you guys. What is that game changer thing? But before that, very important, both these set of students, the ones who are writing group 2 now or the ones writing group 2 after group 1, very important for all of you. For me, all of you are important to have the same mindset. Okay, it doesn't matter how the previous exams went or previous attempts went, your mindset is very important here. Sir, what do you mean by mindset? Remember, the human mind is a very complicated thing. Elon Musk in Neuralink company, they are trying to learn about the human mind and control that. It's one of the greatest creations, you should say, guys. How each person thinks differently. Let me give a small example for you before I get to the three game changer things. When things don't go our way in life, we get upset. For example, when Sangeeta restaurant, when fight came and they changed one branch to Geetam, people would have been upset there. Let's say when hero came, his movie is flop. Even if he's a superstar like Rajnikant, he will be upset. He will be sad for a few days. That is how the human mind is designed. But who will succeed in life are those people who know how to deal with upsets. You think I don't have upsets in life? Let it come. Let 1,000 upset comes. I will show you how to bounce back 1,001 times. That's who I am. That's who I want all the students to be as well. So, sir, what are you trying to say? We are only going to start the exams now. I am trying to say that in the three exams that you are going to write in group 2, maybe one question will not be favorable for you. Maybe one paper is not favorable for you. It doesn't matter. Every time when exam puts you down, you have to keep going back to it. That is the mindset I want you to carry for the exam. Are you all listening, guys? That's the mindset you need to take it into your exam. And for next 7 days, with this mindset, what are the three things that is going to be your game changer? First, go give your best. Sir, I studied only 70%. Act like you know 100%. I studied only 40%. Show that you know 100%. It's only about what you tell the world, at what mindset you have. Believe that you know everything. தெரிஞ்சதை go give your best. Bumrah batting 9 down in India, he will hit 6 suddenly. Have you seen those tailenders players when they come in 9 down? They will bat, they will come, they will act as if I am going to catch that bat, I am going to hit that 6. They will get bowled. But sometimes it goes for 6. So, go give your best. Your mindset is what matters in life, guys. Second, in my style, in consolidation style, I will tell you two more points. Post and pre. After the exams, before the exams. Only one point. You follow this. Believe me, guys, you will actually see so much difference. I always believe people who have clarity in thought and those who can control their mind can do wonders in life. So, before the exam, guys, before your exam starts, calm down. Don't scream like me. Calm down by doing 5 minutes exercise for you before the exam. Sit down before the exam and calm down and take a few deep breaths. 10 to 15 deep breaths for one sip of water. Don't think about anything. Just calm yourself down. Do that exercise. You will be mentally ready for the exam. Last thing, I would have told this a million times. I will repeat another million times as long as I have the energy, guys. எதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணனாலும் பரவாயில்லடா, இதை ஒன்று பண்ணுங்கடா. Don't discuss answers post your exam. Especially there will be so many fellows sharing MCQ answers after exams. Everybody will share, guys. They want views or whatever. You don't discuss in the exam hall with those stupid friends who will come and discuss with you. And you don't see on YouTube anybody discussing. You see after all the exams gets over. This is my honest and humble request to you. It will be very tempting, guys, but that one discipline will be a game changer for you. So that's it from my side, guys. Okay, so all the very, very, very best for your exams. Do well, and I'm sure you will conquer the exams. Take that confidence in, guys. That's about it. Thank you so much.